Hello everyone, welcome back to React FAQs. So our next question is, what are the various React frameworks? So can we build an application using React? Actually, you can't build an application using React because React is just a library, and a library can build a good user interface for you, but it cannot build an application. So then how do you build a complete application with server-side rendering, so routing, and all type of interactions to happen? So that is possible by using the help of various frameworks. So what are the different types of React frameworks we have, right? There are so many React frameworks. So one popular React framework is Next.js. Next.js is responsible for handling routing mechanism. It is responsible for handling server-side rendering. So it will provide a complete framework for both client side and server side. It is very good for building static interfaces, static websites. So you can build good static websites along with server side rendering using Next.js as a framework. So you have framework like Gatsby. So you can use that framework for building React application. So that means the front end is React and the back end you can go with working with these frameworks. So only React cannot build an application. So React requires some frameworks. So as I said, some popular frameworks you can name as Next.js, Gatsby, and Remax. These are some frameworks used for building a complete React application. Thank you.